Welcome back to our channel. Our family is staying at Disney's DVC Discovery Tower, so let's go see everything that's here. It's time to check in, and we knew our room was either going to be Sleeping Beauty themed or Tiana themed, and this is the room key, so I think I know what it's going to be. All right, here we are. Let's check this out. Okay, so we are in a Sleeping Beauty themed room. So let's do a little walkthrough, starting with the front of the room. We have the bathroom to our left. Let's come in here, turn on the lights. Okay, so a nice separate toilet area that has this sliding door. There's a lot of space in here. We have some Sleeping Beauty art on the wall. Turn on some more lights. We have a shower tub. Nice big shower. Here is the mirror, the fun details. We have the fairies. Nice big counter space. Body lotion and hand soap. Heading out over here, we have our little kitchenette area with a mini fridge, sink, microwave, cupboards with plates and utensils. We have some storage here with robes, and look how cute. You can see some of our little friends from the Sleeping Beauty movie. And then in this storage area, we have extra pillows, safe, ironing board, and iron. This is the couch that I will fold down in just a minute that folds into a bed. Okay, we have this ottoman that rolls easily, which is nice. Nice big counter area. It feels really spacious. Even this being able to pull out is great to have extra spots to sit for family. View out the window, nothing too crazy. Here is the main bed, and we have more Sleeping Beauty art. It's nice to have tables and lamps on each side. Some more really fun Sleeping Beauty art. The whole theme of this tower is really fun. Details are really in everything. I mean, even this backboard here with Aurora's crown, the artwork, the coloring behind the bed right here. And now let's fold this down and see the bed. Okay, and here is the bed folded down, and we have this beautiful artwork. So fun. And standing back, taking it all in, lots of space. This is a great room, and that will do it for our room tour. So right outside of Discovery Tower is the pool area. Look how cute this Steamboat Willie splash pad is. So fun. We love Steamboat Willie. Just really cute. It's a little cold right now, but this is just such a fun thing to greet you when you first walk out. Okay, all right, there's Kenzie. She's able to be there without getting wet, but look how fun, and this splash pad lights up. Oh, cute! The boat is making noises. I think steam does come out or something.
Yeah, steam comes out every like 30 to 45 minutes.
That's adorable! Okay, so here is the Discovery Tower pool right next to Mickey splash pad. It's nice to have the two pools so close to each other. And then the tower is just right there. This is the hot tub. Nice big hot tub. Okay, we'll walk over here. And I'm gonna give you guys a little tour right now. As you can see, Discovery Tower this way. Right here we have Trader Sam's restaurant. There's a fireplace right here, kind of like a tiki setup. All the Disney towers are really close to each other, which means the pools are all really close to each other, and you're able to go to each different pool and hot tub. This is the Disneyland Hotel hot tub. It's shaped like a cute Minnie Mouse. And then these slides are also part of the Disneyland Hotel. The DVC pool is right next door though, like steps away. This theming is so fun. My girls love the monorail slides. It's a little chilly today because it's been rainy, but between going down the slides and then into the hot tubs, they've had so much fun. Okay, and then with the pool behind us, there's this palm breeze area and also some heat lamps. So you can eat out here, out by the pools, which are connected. Then we're gonna head back into the lobby. All right, you guys, I did not film this before, but I just wanted to show you. It's nighttime now, and the headboard does light up. So Sienna's gonna turn that on. Voila! So right next to the pool is this cool art section right here. They say storytelling through color. And I think what they do is they take each scene and break it down to the colors used in it, and then put it down to color bars like that. So this one is Mulan. Let's take a look at Jungle Book. Here's Jungle Book's colors from each scene. So you can see it goes across. And then here's Frozen's. You go through each scene. Oh, that's fun. That one gives you the orange colors, but a lot of blues. And then that goes up the whole side of the building, representing those different films. Okay, and then on this side we have Alice in Wonderland, Snow White, and the Seven Dwarfs. The Lion King. You can see the different scenes. Princess and the Frog. Wow, some vibrant colors. Sleeping Beauty. See a lot of purples in there. And then those are the movies. All the way up the tower. Fun, huh? Over here in the lobby of the Disneyland Hotel, which is honestly so close, they have their Disneyland Hotel 70th anniversary going on. They have their gift shop right here. Look how fun this Loungefly is. It just came out of Disneyland Hotel. The parks are that way. But if you're heading to the DVC Discovery Tower, you'll head here, right past Goofy's Kitchen. A little view of those monorail slides. And then the tower from the pool area is right through here. This is closed at night, just a heads up, because we tried to come through this way, and you do need to walk around on the outside of the pools. And then here we are back in the lobby. Okay, this mural is in the lobby. Kenzie says there's 40 hidden Mickeys on here. Let's see, can we find even a few?
Okay, so there's this one's like an upside down, a big one. The trees.
Oh, okay.
Tell your head.
Cute. 40.
Right there.
Oh, that's a fun one.
And that one. Some are like spaced out. I'm pretty sure this might be more. I don't know for sure.
Okay. That's fun. All right, you guys, we're gonna go eat at Goofy's Kitchen, which is here at Disneyland Hotel. And we're gonna show you this whole experience. It's actually one of our favorites. We are waiting to check in for our reservation, and Sienna found a cool little card. Do you think this was in Autopia? Okay, we're gonna go take a picture with Goofy. Hey. Just gonna give you guys a little bit of a walkthrough. Pasta, American food, pizzas, salad bar. Just a quick little walkthrough. Look, Minnie came over to say hi at our table. Thanks, Minnie. Hey.
We're big fans. We've seen all of your work.
Yep, that's right.
We can't go anywhere without them.
Oh, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. Oh. That's so. Oh, thanks. Bye, Pluto. Oh. Pluto hugs. Oh. Yeah. Hey, that's what Dale said.
That's kind of what Dale was doing.
That's what Dale did. Dale said thumbs down. Oh. Is Dale the best or is Chip the best? Chip's the best. That's what we thought. Woo! Oh, thank you. We love you, Chip. Thank you guys so much for joining us at our stay at Disney's DVC Discovery Tower. We'll see you guys on another video very soon. Bye, guys.